Basketweave two-piece oval bowl set. And in this set, you're going to get an oval baker. The oval baker is 3-quart capacity. And then we're going to give you this bowl, which is 24-ounce capacity. Both come with their plastic snap-on storage covers. And this one is firework Fetty. Beautiful, beautiful design. You're also going to see that beautiful blue repeated on the inside of not only the bowl, but also the baker. Now, let me go through each of your choices, and then we're going to check in. Tara Tesher has put together a wonderful video for us on this, but let's first take a look here. This one is Ocean Fetty, and I know many of you are big fans of Ocean Fetty. I am a personal big fan of Ocean Fetty, and I have only 500 of those to go around at this clearance price. Tara loves these items, but they are being retired, which is why we got them on low clearance pricing. When they're gone for good. Next to that, and just in time for your patriotic holidays, we've got Firework Fetty. Really beautifully done. Then we've got summer for you. If you'll look closely there, those summer decorations are seashells. So you've got some beautiful little seashells, both on the inside and outside of the bowl. And then finally, in floral lace, we've got the one called Firework. And that one's going quickly. You get the 3-quart bowl, or the oval rather, and the 24-ounce bowl. These are all the things that you love about stoneware and Temp-tations, but let's check in with the developer, the creator, and the head designer. Tara Tesher has put together a marvelous video. Let's take a look and listen.
Hey everyone, super excited to share with you another piece in our collection of Basketweave. Have you seen Basketweave before? What I love about it is the layer upon layer of sculptural detail. Starting with, of course, that basket detail that you see right there. There's then a tea staining that's applied on top of it. Look at how beautiful your pattern is that runs around the edges. That's then individually hand painted. And then take a peek on the inside as well, that overall color saturation, also with the reverse pattern on the inside there. This is a 3-quart elongated baker, and what I love about it is when you pair it with the just under 1-quart round bowl, you can use these pieces together if you're setting up kind of like a fruit boat with maybe a little fresh whipped cream, a little shrimp cocktail and cocktail sauce, or you can use them separately. What I love about it is perfect for this time of year when you want things colder, longer. Chill these pieces ahead of time. We even included 2 snap-on storage covers, so if you're prepping ahead of time, how great. Think about this for breads, think about this for elongated cooking, chicken breast, all of those different things. So whether you're using them together or separately, it is a must-have.
Well, thank you, Miss Tara, and we want to go back to our oven and retrieve one of God's most perfect foods. You guessed it, macaroni cheese. And this one has some cherry tomatoes inside, it looks like. So we had to make it, you know, a little adult friendly. Yeah. But then here's what I find remarkable. When you go in and start pulling back that ooey gooey cheesy macaroni, you can see the pattern on the bottom of the baker. The reason for that is because these are inherently nonstick thanks to the glaze on the stoneware. And you're going to be able to pop these into an oven up to 500 degrees. You can put them under the broiler if you need to. You can put these in the freezer. You can put them in the microwave. You can put them in the dishwasher. That's the beautiful part about all these items from Temp-tations. When they are stoneware, they're completely versatile. And what do we know to be true about Temp-tations? It's a family of colors. So if you've got other colors that are similar to these, they're going to coordinate, and were designed to coordinate beautifully. Let me also caution you that this is on clearance pricing. What does that mean? We're down to our final quantities. We can't get a reorder because Tara says this one is being retired. When it is gone, it will be gone for good. She is not bringing this 2-piece set back. Here's what I have remaining. Now, in this Ocean Fetty, I have fewer than 500 now in the Ocean Fetty. Next to that, I've got it in Firework Fetty. Fewer than 800 to go around. And remember, you're getting the 3-quart oval bowl, the 24-ounce round bowl, and the plastic storage covers for both. Next to that is summer. I have fewer than 600 in the summer. And then finally in firework, most popular, fewer than 700. Now, if you're hoping to get this by July the 4th, let me encourage you to talk to your operators. because I know that there have been some slowdowns in shipping because of our current situation. So if you know you need this by 4th of July, talk to your operator about delivery options and estimated delivery arrivals, all that kind of thing. So I put that out there in case someone is shopping for the specific holiday. Now, this is important to know that we've got all this for you, whether you're doing what Tara loves to do, centertaining with a little centerpiece here, fill these full of candies and put them out for your patriotic get-together, whatever the case may be and however you're celebrating this summer, with small groups or medium-sized groups, because in some states they are allowing small groups to gather now. This is an opportunity for you to do that. We would encourage also at those gatherings that everyone social distance, wear your mask if possible, because all these things become important for us to get through this as quickly and in the most healthy way possible. This is H219 to 1. Let me try that again. H219112, Ed. I think is the number. Right, okay, thanks. Ed's my producer. Sometimes if I'm not sure, I just look at him and say, Ed, what is it? What should I do? All right, we're going to Squirrel Brand. All right, let's head over to Squirrel Brand. And we're talking about the oldest registered nut company in the United States. And this particular mix,